Alright. Let's look at my front tire. Oh my gosh. I gotta get that crap out of there. That's insane. Oh my gosh. I got it. That mud is packed everywhere it shouldn't be. Alright, let me dig some of this mud out. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is terrible. Worst idea ever. Especially after rain just came through. Golly. I don't even know how this thing is chugging along. Oh, wow. Got 100 extra pounds of mud on here. Yeah, if I had a low fender kit on here, it'd done tore it off. Look at my brakes. Oh my gosh. What brakes? Well, I'll tell you what's next. A car wash. And hopefully I take card because I don't have no cash. Oh man. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. Yeah, anybody wants to run a low fender kit, you might want to second think that. What's bad is I'm gonna have to get up this other side and do this again. It's all around that dang brake line. This is some of the stickiest mud ever. Alright. Some of the front. Let's get from around the back tire. Look at my front. Oh my gosh. This might be a disaster. Well, there's a front sprocket in there somewhere. This is not good at all. I should have just turned around early. Oh my God, it's so packed. I mean, it's just all in there. Next time it says road closed and it just rained, I'm going to respect that sign.